Hey everyone, Eric with Fresh Ground Roasting. I want to introduce a new series today that we're doing. It's called The Mug Life because I didn't choose the mug life. The mug life chose me. You knew that was coming. What we're going to do is talk about coffee, and whether you're brewing coffee at home or brewing coffee in your cafe, these are some things that you can do to help you serve coffee people love. One of the things we want to talk about today is decaf. Unfortunately, decaf gets a really bad rap. The reality of life is decaf is the lowest seller in any roaster or cafe's product lineup. It's just the way it is. Not as many people drink decaf. But the reality of life is decaf drinkers drink coffee because they like the taste, not because they need the kick. I love decaf people. We've had our Dream Maker decaf on the shelves for quite some time, and it's fantastic. One of the important things you need to know about decaf is how it is processed. You've probably heard about water processed decaf, Swiss water being one of the big ones. There's another one called mountain water process that's on the market as well. Both of them are really good, but that has to do with the way they take the caffeine out of the coffee bean. Basically what they do is they take the coffee bean, they soak it in water or coffee extract, where the base of that is water, and the caffeine, using the principles of reverse osmosis, comes out of the coffee, floats to the top of the water. They scrape off the caffeine and actually sell it to the energy drink companies. And then the rest of the flavor notes are forced back into the bean using steam and some other pressure things, and you have coffee that is 99.9% caffeine free. There is almost no caffeine in that coffee once it's done with the decaffeinating process. So water process is one of the methods. We'll talk about other methods of decaffeinating coffee later on, but if you're looking for a really good decaf, you want to look for something that is a water processed decaf. We're actually really excited about our decaf because we're starting a new project coming up here in the next couple of weeks. You're going to start to see our Dream Maker decaf get rebranded in our exciting partnership that we have with Sad Cow Coffee. You can go to their website, sadcow.coffee, and we are releasing a line of fantastic specialty decaf coffees. This is Wilma. Wilma is a cow, and Wilma is sad. Why is Wilma sad? Because she lost her calf. Bum. Insert rim shot there. So this is Sad Cow Coffee. It's a line of fantastic specialty coffees, roasted fresh and with a lot of care. Our Dream Maker decaf is going to be rebranded as this Columbia decaf. Right now, we are selling on sadcow.coffee. You can go and you can pick up a sample pack of our two coffees that we have out right now, the Columbia decaf and the Mexico decaf. This is more of a lighter roast. The Columbia is a little bit of a more medium roast, full-bodied, got great flavor to it. And see what you think about decaf. So definitely try those out. Look for some water processed decafs. Those are going to be fantastic as well. Follow Sad Cow Coffee on Instagram or Facebook to enjoy not only some fantastic coffee, but some great cow and coffee puns. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm Eric, and this has been The Mug Life.